Let's take a look at this example. This time we have two current sources, but as you can see, the currents are flowing in opposite directions. So in this case, you have to always look first at the strongest current source. So I have 15 microamps, and if you want to find total current, I total is equal I1 minus I2, when two current sources, okay, are going to push the currents in different directions, we're supposed to subtract these currents. So I always look at the strongest one, because strongest one is going to dictate the direction of the current in the circuit, and from the stronger one I subtract the weaker one. So in this case I have 15 microamps minus 8 microamps. This is equal 7 microamps, and the current, because 15 microamps is stronger than this one, so the current is going to flow this way. Okay, so this is I total, or we can say this is my IL. So this is the solution to my problem.